Today, I want to share a fantastic technique for propagating Madre de Agua. I have been using rooting balls, and the outcomes are truly impressive. Madre de Agua leaves are rich in proteins essential for chicken fodder. Using rooting balls ensures that the plant's roots are already established before planting directly on the ground or pots. Over the course of several weeks, these rooting balls foster the growth of roots, seamlessly intertwining with the coconut husk potting medium. It is also convenient to open the rooting balls and check to see the results. Once you see plenty of roots inside, you can now cut the stem. Before transplanting, a crucial step is to remove all leaves from the cuttings. This aids in prioritizing root development and the emergence of healthy new leaves. As you can see, I already have other Madre de Agua planted using the rooting balls. Beside the Madre de Agua plants are my moringa plants, both I use as additive for my chicken feeds. If you're interested with this propagation method, please like and subscribe.